Hey guys, so we found the mom eating. So guys, look at this right now. So we gotta go and yeah. So here, look, she's feeding. So guys, she's feeding right now. Sorry, my parents are talking, but right now, look, she's eating right now with the parents. She cooked the food, and then she's giving them to her babies. Look at them, she's feeding.
There she goes.
Look at that.
You guys can see the mom right there.
Yeah, she's like right down there and feeding. Look, they're feeding. Look, they're feeding. I don't know what she's doing right now, but she's probably trying to feed down there. What's she even doing? That's her babies. Wait, I think she's like doing something right now. I don't know, but.
What is she doing?
She's actually giving the food.
What's the baby doing?
I don't know, but I think I had to learn this, but I think the mom has the food inside of her body. So she eats the food when she found the food, and then she swallows it, and then she gives back to the babies. That's what happens. Yeah, that happens. That's what it says. The birds do that. They found the worms. The mom swallows it, and she doesn't eat it. She doesn't chunk it. She swallows it, and then she gives back to her babies.
Yeah.
She
gets little worms.
Look. She's trying to swallow back. Oh, look.
What she gave him? Look at the little babies.
Wow. I love it. Look at those babies. They're really cute. Bye.